Hello friend, today I show him jockey farm and electric farm and diesel farm. How to check the pressure. Okay, today I show him how to check the pressure. And you see this is the electrical farm panel. Okay, let's go electrical farm panel. First there on. You see display coming. Okay, now check the how many have pressure. Okay, you see the pressure. Okay, their pressure, see 225. Okay, fills, this is the pressure. Okay, and this is the jockey farm. Okay, this jockey farm pressure 193. Okay, and this is the site. This is diesel. There is diesel farm DB. Okay, you see there is farm room, all farm room. It's big farm room. Okay, first I will show him the this one pressure. You check this pressure also. See 229 this pressure. Okay, now you see this is the jockey farm. Small leakage is jockey farm start. Big leakage there is electric farm start. This jockey farm, see there is, this is pressure. Pressure down, it must be working jockey farm. Jockey farm is not control power, is the electric farm start. In case of the power no have, there is diesel farm start. You see there is diesel pump. Diesel pump. There is big diesel system. Okay. See this battery. In case of the no have power is battery start. Battery start and run as the diesel working. Okay. There is pressure system. You see this pressure. Okay. How many pressure minimum need? Their system is jockey pump. Okay. Jockey pump minimum 188 must be have. And if pressure down, maybe 170 coming is motor start. There is okay. This is electric farm and diesel farm, same like this all. System. Okay friend, subscribe my channel and another video inshallah I will give it.